Hi, we're making a music video now. Okay.
Yeah, I'm back, bitches. Women are equal and they deserve respect. Just kidding, they should suck my dick. Vagina, what vagina? I wanna have sex with your vagina. Vagina, what vagina? 2 plus 2 equals vagina. My love is like lightning. It gives girls orgasms. My dick is like an airplane. It gives girls orgasms. I'm the Wayne Gretzky of sexual stuff. I'm the Hulk Hogan of slamming muff. I'm the Indiana Jones of exploring crotch. I'm the Shakespeare of enormous cock. I'm the Helen Keller of having sex. No,
Wait, that's a bad
not
example.
Why did my penis cross the road?
To get to the other
To get to the other vagina. Vagina. I wanna have sex with your vagina. Vagina.
What vagina? E equals MC vagina.
I've got a present for you right here. Actually, it's not a present. It's my penis. And I like to call it the spear.
Because spears are long and hard,
just like my penis. I don't like it when you talk, cause that just means you're not sucking my cock. Love is for girls and gays. If you wanna be with me, it goes one of 2 ways. Either you have sex with me, or you have sex with me. I have really good sex moves that I learned in China. I'm a sexual tiger.
And I feed on vagina.
Vagina.
What vagina?
I wanna have sex with your vagina. Vagina.
What vagina?
What time is it? It's vagina. What's the difference between a girl's mouth and a girl's vagina?
There is none.
There is none.
I
want my penis to be inside both of those things. I'm a good sex man. Girls love my sex. I'm a good sex man. Cause my sex is the best. I'm like Jean-Claude Van Damme.
But
Instead of fighting people,
I have sex with them. This video was produced and sponsored by Valentina Forero.
Yeah, go Valentina.
Okay. Vagina.
Vagina.
I didn't want to be any part of this.
Well, you are. Because she's with us. Hello.
Vagina.
Vagina.